Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we're diving into a common problem many developers face when working on iPhone apps for clients who are geographically distant. The problem is, how do you efficiently deploy an app for beta testing when your client is not able to physically connect their iPhone to your development Mac? It's a tricky situation, but fear not, there's a solution that might just be the perfect fit for you. In this case, the solution lies in using TestFlight. TestFlight is a powerful tool that allows you to easily deploy your app to remote devices for beta testing. It offers a range of features and excellent support for larger teams, making it an ideal choice for situations like the one you're facing. By utilizing TestFlight, you can meet and even exceed your deployment requirements without the need for physical proximity. To sum it up, TestFlight is the key to solving the distance barrier when it comes to deploying apps for beta testing. By leveraging its robust features and team-friendly design, you can seamlessly deliver your app to clients anywhere in the world. So, give TestFlight a try and make the beta testing process a breeze for you and your clients. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a witty comment below. See you next time.